In this video, I'm going to show you the Universeum in Sweden. Universeum is a public science center and a powerful arena for education in science. It is a nice place to teach our children about the world around us, and also it's a nice place for adults who love nature, and it is also one of the best places to visit in Sweden. It is divided into different zones with lot of innovative ideas and facts like ocean, green rainforest, space, chemistry lab, technology lab and auditorium. Very innovative and modern approach of explaining science to kids and adults so children and adults can gain a knowledge and power to make the earth better and more sustainable place to live. The price is little high, but trust me, it's worth. Come now, let's go to the fifth floor. It is the ocean zone. As soon as we enter here, the transformation from outside to here is unexplainable. The dark floor with slow background music, calm water with these colorful moving fishes or the visual treat to rise. Welcome to the green rainforest. The combination of this green rainforest is unbelievable. Here, the interesting thing is we are in the fifth floor. The rain sounds, the plants, trees, creepers, freely flying birds, and animals. Everything is real. You'll get a feeling of the real forest, and at the same time, you'll enjoy the water splash. A 25-meter tall cape oak tree with these suspension bridges take you on adventures and offers impressive views of the rainforest. Maintaining such an environment in the top floors is not an easy task, but here everything is well maintained by the management and staff for all the weathers, and at the same time, staffs are so helpful and polite to clear out doubts. Come now, let's see the space. Here we have the space settings. These setups will make you feel like it's a real space. It feels like you are somewhere in the space. Plastics in all forms, like bags, packing covers, bottles, and straws, are all choking our planet. We humans have become dependent on plastic for a range of uses, from packaging to products. Just because of our negligence, million tons of plastic is entering into oceans and harming the sea creatures. Reducing our use of plastic is an easy way to start reducing the pollution. Then why late? We must find ways to reduce and eventually eliminate all these single-use plastic products. Only we humans make waste that nature can't digest. Please don't let nature go to waste. Get rid of plastic to save our Mother Earth and the future generations. Let's join our hands and say goodbye to the plastic, because it's need of our Mother Earth. If we start doing this, it will definitely save the nature and the future generations.